Look nice. This one looks nice. Let's give it a try. Wow, looks good. Oh my God. With so many delicious dishes, I don't know which one to order.
Hello, sir. How are you? What would you like to eat? You don't speak our language, do you? Oh, really? You should learn our language because you are in our land.
Oh, really? Why can't you provide services in multiple languages? If someone doesn't speak your language, you should help them place an order instead of telling them they should learn.
That has nothing to do with me. I only care about my job. They didn't pay me more to do things like that.
The service industry is about providing better and more professional service, isn't it? Does not knowing your language mean someone is unworthy of ordering? The world should be filled with love, shouldn't it?
Yeah, you are right. I'm sorry.
The world should be full of love, am I right?